Let's break down the video production process step by step so you'll know exactly what to expect when you hire a production team. The process has three main phases: pre-production, production, and post-production. First up, pre-production. This is where all the magic happens. It's the planning phase, and the more work you put in here, the smoother everything else will go. Start by setting goals. Who is your audience? What is your key message? Do you want to tell a story, explain a concept, or promote a product? Once your goals are clear, you'll decide on the video's visual style, like a sit-down interview, a narrative story, or maybe an event highlight. Next, it's time to write the script and create storyboards. These help map out exactly what footage you'll need. At this stage, you'll also start scouting locations and scheduling your shoot, including booking talent and crew. Pre-production usually takes about 4 weeks, depending on the complexity of your project. Next up, it's production, the action phase. This is when we capture all the footage. On shoot day, the team arrives early to set up lights, cameras, and sound equipment. Plan for the crew to arrive at least 2 hours before talent to handle any last-minute setup issues. Once talent is on set, it's time to roll cameras and bring your vision to life. The key for production is to stick to the plan you created during pre-production. Finally, post-production. This is where everything comes together. We start by organizing and reviewing the footage to create a rough cut. Then we move on to polishing, color grading, adding graphics, animations, and sound design. We'll clean up the audio, level everything, and add music or sound effects. Once we've got a draft, it's your turn. You'll review, provide feedback, and we'll make revisions until it's just right. Post-production can take 3 weeks or more, depending on the complexity and number of revisions. And that's it. Sticking to this process helps ensure your project stays on track, on budget, and aligned with your goals. Got questions or ready to get started? Contact us for a free consultation. We'll help you bring your vision to life.